Hey everybody, this is Kim Seaver with Hot Pepper Communications. We specialize in writing, editing, and social media management. Today I want to talk to you about how to use license and license in Canada. One of the challenges of Canadian English is that it incorporates British English while simultaneously incorporating American English. This is particularly confusing when it comes to choosing which words to use. Take the words license with a C and license with an S, for example. License with an S is a verb in the US and in the UK, as in I am licensed to drive. However, in the United States it can be used as a noun as well, as in I have a driver's license. License with a C, on the other hand, is a strictly British usage. In the UK, English speakers use license with a C as a noun, in the same way that Americans use license with an S as a noun. So, where do Canadians come in? Do we side with the Americans as we do with tire and curb? Or do we side with the British as we do with color and meter? Well, in this case, we use license with a C as a noun and license with an S as a verb, just like the Brits. Now, keep in mind, as with some other words, this usage is changing, just as how the American spelling of color and pronunciation of Z are starting to gain popularity in Canada, so is the American usage of license with an S. In time, Canadians may end up favoring this simpler approach. But for now, Canada is using license with a C as a noun and license with an S as a verb. An easy way to remember it is that your driver's license is a card with license and card both containing a C. Also, Canada starts with a C, and we use license with a C. Bonus tip. Same goes for practice and practice. In Canada, practice with a C is where you go, and practice with an S is what you do when you get there. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment. Also visit me online at hotpepper.ca. Check me out on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and LinkedIn.